Hello, this is Charles Richards from Channel 7 News, and we're down here at the City Mall interviewing people on how they celebrate Christmas. And hi, young lady, what is your name?
Elizabeth Carter.
And Elizabeth, how does your family celebrate Christmas?
We go sledding and then go over to my grandparents' house and have dinner with them.
Well, that is great. And let me ask this young man, hi, what is your name?
John.
And Johnny, how old are you?
5.
5. And does your family eat anything particular for Christmas?
Turkey.
And what does Christmas mean to you?
Going to my grandma's and making the breakfast.
Going to grandma's and making breakfast. And let me ask another young man, hi, what is your name?
Steven.
Okay, Stephen, and what does Christmas mean to you?
Giving but not expecting to get.
Yeah, that's kind of hard for a young man like yourself. And what does that mean, giving but not expecting?
Well, one thing that we do is secret giving.
Secret giving. Now, how does that work in your family?
We sneak up to the porch of somebody that we want to give to. We put the gift that we want to give to them. Ring the doorbell and hide.
Ring the doorbell and hide. So you're not expecting something, you just want to be generous to someone else. Is that right?
Yeah, that's correct.
And let's interview one more. And how do you celebrate Christmas? What is the best thing about Christmas, and what does it mean to you?
It means getting up from school.
Getting up from school? Do you all feel that way?
Because I hate homework.
Yeah. Well, that's all here from the City Mall, Channel 7 reporting.